This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your PlayStation 4 controller to your laptop. First, let's explore the simplest method, a wired connection. You will need a standard micro USB cable. Simply plug one end into your controller and the other into an available USB port on your laptop. Most operating systems will automatically detect the controller, allowing you to jump into your favorite games almost instantly. It's a straightforward and reliable way to get started. Now, let's move on to connecting wirelessly using Bluetooth. This method offers more freedom of movement. To begin, you need to put your controller into pairing mode. Locate the PlayStation button, which is the circular button in the center, and the share button, found on the left side of the touchpad. Press and hold both of these buttons down simultaneously for about 3 to 5 seconds until the light bar on your controller starts flashing rapidly. With your controller in pairing mode, it's time to connect it to your laptop. Open your laptop settings and navigate to the Bluetooth and Devices section. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled. Your laptop will then scan for nearby devices. You should see an option like Wireless Controller or DualShock 4 appear in the list. Select it to initiate the connection. Once successfully paired, the controller's light bar will stop flashing and glow a solid color. After connecting, it's always a good idea to test your controller. You can do this by launching a game or visiting an online controller tester. If you encounter any issues, such as input lag or disconnections, try updating your laptop's Bluetooth drivers. For advanced customization and broader game compatibility, many users find third-party software, like PS4 Windows, to be incredibly helpful. This tool can emulate an Xbox 360 controller, offering seamless integration with many PC titles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.